Okay, students. Now, in this video, we will learn what happened when point reflects under particular line. Now, what are those particular lines? So, look at this. There are some vertical lines or standing lines, you can say. So, what is the equation of this standing line? X is equal to 3. Say, suppose this is over here. X is equal to 4. This is over here. X is equal to 5. This is over here. So, what is the equation of this line? Come on, say. Come on, think. X is equal to 1. What is the equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. What is the equation of the line which is just 1 centimeter on the negative side? X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 3. What is the equation of this line? X is equal to minus 4. Perfect. What if it is exactly in between over here? X is equal to minus 2.5. Did you understand what do you mean by the vertical lines equation? Vertical line equation होती है x is equals to a. A is the point on the x-axis. Wherever that x-axis में से pass हो रही है, वही उसका equation है. I hope you understood. So, what is the equation of this line? X is equals to 2. You can say, or x is equal to a. So, any equation of vertical line. Equation of vertical line. Keep writing, guys. Keep writing. Equation of vertical line is x is equals to a. What is the equation of horizontal line? Now, what do you mean by horizontal line? Say these are called as horizontal line. One second, hold on, I'll just point. Okay, this is horizontal line. Okay, so what do you mean by the equation of horizontal line? Say it will be y is equal to b, or y is equal to 2, or y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 3, or y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 5. Are you understanding? So whatever the y-axis is, so what is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, because equation of the horizontal line is y is equal to b. You understood? So how to write it on this? Let me just show you. Okay. So this will become equation of y-axis, equation of y-axis. I'm so sorry. Equation of horizontal line, you can say. Equation of horizontal line. Equation of y-axis is equal to x is equal to 0. Equation of horizontal line is y is equals to b. Now b is the point on the y-axis. A is the point on the x-axis. A is on x-axis. B is on the y-axis. I hope you understood this. What is the equation of this? You can say y is equals to 5. What is the equation of this vertical line? X is equals to 2. Now, what is the reflection under this line? So, first of all, तो क्या है ना लोगों को equation क्या है वो पता नहीं चलता, इसके लिए reflection नहीं पता चलता है. So now you understood what is the reflection, what is the equation of the line. Now, if this point A 3, 4 reflects under line x is equal to 2. So point A 3, 4 reflects under x is equal to 2. So where it will go? Obviously, it will going to go on the other side. Isn't it? It will come over here, one line, one unit over here. Isn't it? So this would be the reflection point of this under x is equal to 2, because this is the mirror line now, isn't it? I hope you understood. So this will become 1, 4. A prime will become 1, 4. I hope you understood this. Say suppose any point. Say this point is 5, 1. Say 5, 1 is point B is 5, 1. When it reflects under line, x is equal to 2. So how many points it is? 1 unit, 3 unit, 2 unit and 3 units. These 3 points will go over here. 1, 2 and 3. So this is the reflection over here. Isn't it? Minus 1, 1. So B prime will become minus 1, 1. You understood, guys? Anyone has any doubt? Okay, if it is over here, minus 2 comma 0 comma minus 2, C point is 0 comma minus 2. Point is C 0 comma minus 2. When it reflects under line, x is equal to 2. So it will come 2 points on other side. So it will become 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. I hope you understood this. Now if we'll change the line, say suppose this is the line y is equals to, or if it is a horizontal line, okay, probably we'll do that on another graph paper in nice manner. Okay. Or you can pause the video and copy paste this quickly in a book. Hurry up. Then we'll do the next type of question on the next graph paper. Suppose student we have point A as 3 comma 4. A is 3 comma 4. Now if it reflects A 3 comma 4, if it reflects under y is equal to 2, right? Y is equal to 2. Now where the image will go? Obviously it will go little down. 1 point and 2 points. So it will go 2 points down. 1 point and 2 points. So it will become, A prime will become 3 comma 0. You understood? 3 comma 0. Super duper simple, isn't it? So it's nice. Like if it is this point, say 1 comma 3. If point B is 1 comma 3, 1 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. When it reflects at the line y is equal to 2. So where the reflection will go 1 point down of this mirror line, isn't it 1 comma 1? So B prime will become 1 comma 1. Some people don't understand this. Right? So please, if you have not understood something, ask me immediately. So this is B, so this will become B prime. I hope you understood this perfectly, isn't it? Okay, now it's time to copy paste this quickly in your book and to move ahead with the next question. Meanwhile, you're copy pasting, let me get back my next question. Okay. So, okay, student. So, welcome back. This is one another new sum number 26 from ML Agarwal. So, what is this question? Use the graph paper to answer the question. So, I have already drawn the graph over here. I hope you will also have drawn on your graph paper. If not, you can pause the video and draw the graph. So whenever you start in the graph paper, make sure that you write x-axis, y-axis. So some people keep asking, sir, where to draw this x-axis and y-axis, all these things. No worries, you can draw it anywhere. You can take this y-axis little on this side, little on this side. That's absolutely fine, guys. Okay. So that's absolutely fine. So it's nothing like that. Okay, you have to draw it over here only, or you have to draw it over here. It's nothing like it. It's as per your plottings. Whatever is required, you can take it on your graph paper, or the x-axis. You can take it up, you can take it down, you can take it in the corner, however you want. It can be completely customized as per your requirement or as per some's requirement. And then second thing, you should always write the scale. Scale is equals to on both axes, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now once you get that on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, let's read the question, and graph paper is ready, and I hope yours is also ready. Plot point A 4 comma 6 and B 1 comma 2. So never read these 2 points and go. Always read only one question. A 4 comma 6. So where will be the 4 comma 6? 4 over here and 6 over here. I guess this is 4 comma 6. Isn't it? This is 4 comma 6. A is 4 comma 6. Now what is the next point is? B is 1 comma 2. Where will be 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2. यहाँ पर बिल्कुल भी घाई करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है? If you plot the one point wrong, your entire sum goes on toss. So make sure that you read very carefully and you plot it very nicely. So our first part is done. Now what is the second part of the question? A prime is the image of A when reflect under x-axis. Write down the coordinates of A prime. So obviously it is When point reflects under x-axis, x remain the same and y changes. So it will become a prime as 4 comma minus 6. But we cannot write like this. So we'll have to just show. When it reflects under x-axis, it will going to come somewhere here, isn't it? So a 4 comma 6, when it reflects under x-axis, it becomes a prime as 4 comma minus 6. You know, you can use algebra, you can use geometry, I mean the graph, whatever you feel you're comfortable with. But it is always better to write it in these two types, as is earlier suggested. Then what is this point number 3? If B dash is the image of B when reflected in the line A dash, write down the coordinates of B prime. So where is this A prime? Okay, A prime is over here, isn't it? A prime क्या है? 4 comma minus 6. And if I draw this line, you'll understand shortly. So this is the line. I'm just drawing it the red color so that you will get the mirror image immediately. And now they're trying to ask, they're asking you to find the reflection. B is 1 comma 2 and that is reflecting under line A prime. So A prime is क्या है 4,6 and 4,-6 ये लाइन में इसका इमेज आने वाला है, isn't it? So it will become 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. So 3 points it will go up. I mean ahead. 1, 2, 3. So this will be a mirror image, isn't it? Of so B prime will going to become B prime will going to become this is 7 comma 2. 7 comma 2. I hope you understood how I got this 7 comma 2. So these are 1 to 4. So ahead to 4, 3 points like that. So just 7 and it is 2 up. So it is 2 up. So that is B prime 7 comma 2. I hope you understood this. It's a very nice. Then fourth part. Give the geometrical name of this AB, A prime, B prime. A, B, A prime, B prime. So what is the geometrical name of this figure? Think about this. It's a really nice and simple question. What is the geometrical name of this figure? Think it is, yes, many people already guessed it correct. So the geometrical name of this figure is kite. It is kite. Correct. So this is second subpart. This is third subpart. And the fourth subpart is what is the geometrical name? So quadrilateral A, B, A prime, B prime is kite. Why this kite? Because upper two sides are equal and the lower two sides are also equal. So it is kite. They can ask you various other questions. Find the perimeter of this kite, what is the area of this kite, or what is the reflection of these into these, anything. Just read very carefully how many mirror lines are possible or lines of symmetry, anything they can ask you. So basically A prime is the only reflection or it's only line of symmetry you can say, or only mirror line you can say. That is very simple. I hope you understood guys everything perfectly. We'll try and do one more question or two more questions. Let's see. And then you will get these concepts better and better, isn't it? I hope you finished doing this. If you're not finished, you can pause the video and copy paste this quickly in your book. Hurry up, guys. Okay, students. So let's see the next sum. I hope we finished the previous one very easily and nicely. And now it's like the another very interesting question. How exactly it's to be done? Let's see. Let's start reading the question. Use the graph paper. Whenever they say use the graph paper, you have to compulsory use your graph paper, guys. Without graph paper, they will not give you the marks. So make sure that your graph paper is next to you. For the question, take 10 small divisions is equal to 1. It's one the same thing, guys. 10 small unit is equal to 1 unit. That is nothing but on both axes. Scale क्या लिखेंगे? On both axes, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now, P and Q have coordinates 0, 5 and minus 2, 4. Now, let's write it down over here. Where is P 0, 5? Where is 0, 5? It's over here. P is 0, comma 5. This is point P. So 0 and then 5, isn't it? 0 comma 5. And minus 2 comma 4. Where will be minus 2 comma 4? Minus 2 comma 4. It's over here. This is Q. So we got minus 2. Minus 2 comma 4 are there. Now what is this? Let's read the first part. P is invariant. P is in, one second. Look at this, guys. P is invariant when reflected in some axis. What is the name of the axis? Now remember that, guys, what I have given you in writing. Every point which lie on the y-axis, see that sentence. Every point which lie on the y-axis is invariant under what? Is invariant under y-axis. Therefore, point P is invariant under what? Under y-axis. So that is your first answer. I hope you got that. Now let's start with the second part of the question. What is the second part of the question? Every point which lie on the y-axis will be invariant under y-axis. Every point which lie on the x-axis is invariant under x-axis. You should remember all these things, isn't it? Name the axis over here. Now, what is the second part of the question? Find the image of Q when reflected in the axis found in subpart 1. Subpart 1 में क्या कौन सा axis find out किया हमने? Y-axis. So, what we are supposed to do? What is the image of point Q when it reflects under this axis? So, Q minus 2 comma 4 when mirror image under y-axis, what happened? What is going to happen? So this is 1 point and 2 points, it will come over here, isn't it? So that will become Q prime. Q prime. So what are the coordinates of Q prime when it reflects under y-axis? So whenever point reflects under y-axis, y remains same and the x changes. So it will become 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Now let's read ahead. So we are done with the second part of the question. Now let's read third part of the question. I hope you all are along with me, guys, isn't it? 0 comma k, 0 comma k on reflected in the origin is invariant. Write down the value of k. Now remember that 0 comma anything is origin is invariant under origin, isn't it? Origin is only invariant under origin, so k has to be 0. Isn't it? So k has to be 0, and you can write down the reason over here as k is equal to 0. What is the reason for that? K is equal to 0 because origin is invariant under origin. Since origin is invariant under origin. I hope you get this, isn't it? Now let's read ahead with the fourth subpart. Okay, what is the fourth subpart? Write down the coordinates of the image Q obtained in reflection in the origin followed by the reflection on the x-axis. Okay, read the question very carefully. Write the coordinates of the Q obtained by reflecting it in the origin followed by the reflection in the y-axis. Oh, reflection under x-axis. That means it is just the same thing, isn't it? The single reflection would be what? First they are saying first reflect under origin and then x-axis. So single reflection would be y-axis, isn't it? Which is same. Which would be the same as like this q prime. That is 2 comma 4. Okay. If you want to write like that way, you can write it down. But if you feel like I should write the full sentence, you can write like that way also. Q is minus 2 comma 4. It reflects under origin and followed by that it reflects under x-axis. So what will going to become q prime? Okay, so when it reflects under origin, it will become both changes, 2 comma minus 4, and thereafter it reflects under x-axis. So if it x reflects under x-axis, x changes. Okay, when it reflects under x-axis, when point reflects under x-axis, what happened? X remain the same and Y changes. So it will become 2 comma 4, isn't it? So that is what is a single reflection? Single reflection is basically y-axis, isn't it? You can write like this, or else you can write like this also. Okay, absolutely fine. However you write. And you are done. So simple. That's all. That's all you have to do. They can say many more questions over here, like join these, join that, and find the reflection of these, and find the reflection of that, find the perimeter of this quadrilateral, name the type of the quadrilateral, or the line of symmetry, and many more things, isn't it? So do you are this chapter very carefully, guys. Do all the sums based on this, whichever I have provided in our worksheet. If you get it everything, the 4 mark question would be in your pocket. Guys, this is compulsorily asked in your compulsory section A in your board paper for 4 marks. So grab that 4 marks very nicely and use graph paper. Do this question 2 times, one on the graph and one on the sequence. I hope you enjoyed learning along with this entire chapter reflection. I guess that's all in this chapter to say. So see you in the next video with some another new chapter. Till then, bye bye.